We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels and looking for patterns and market structure. Okay guys, let's take a look at USD PLN. Let's see what's going on in the market. So first thing we're going to start doing is working on our levels. We can clearly see that market was at a major low back in 2009, a little bit before 2009. Broke up to another level. It has some support areas here. And we have another area here. This is the resistance. I already see patterns. I hope you guys do too. We can probably draw another line through this area here because we have some areas that can be touched as support. Okay, that blended very well. And let's go another level up. And we got about another few more lines to go. And we have an area higher highs here. So this is the final line. Okay, let's head over to where the price began back in 99. Okay, so the market came from a low, not a low, but a high low, and then this is where the market began at. From there, the market pushed up once, pushed up twice, pushed up a third time. In this area here, we got a major pattern. This is a very important area right here. So in this area, what we have is a double top. So we already know what a double top. It comes after the double top. A retest happens. So here we go. Market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, came back down. So we already know. Once we see the double top, here go the retest. Market came to retest. The market shot down. Normally, most of the time it shots down about 3 times, maybe 4. So 1 came back to retest, 2, 3, 4, but we have another 5th one too. So the reason why this is happening is just a huge consolidation. The market didn't even go nowhere. This is basically just one level of consolidation. Also, we see a whole bunch of double bottoms trying to form in there. There's W's in here, right here. Another W here. Okay, market retest, came back up, wasn't able to break. So it tried multiple times. So when you see these W's, the market was trying to get some momentum to go to the upside, but it didn't happen. So the market just dropped 1 level, 2 levels. So it actually dropped from the highest high. It dropped 1 level, 2 levels, 3 levels, back to lower lows. So once the market back to lower lows, we got a single bottom. The retest is right here. Single bottom, retest. Market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, came back down. Market pushed up a third time, came back down. And it's multiple times. So when you start seeing this area here, we see patterns. So once you start seeing a pattern, don't keep just counting the levels. This is it. So this is a double bottom right here. So we already know what happens at the double bottom. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest, market shut up once, market shut up twice, market shut up 3 times. Okay, then we got that consolidation of the incline, but also we see a pattern in there. If you guys see it, there we go. There's a W. Okay, so when we see that W, we see the market's trying to break higher highs. So after this retest, the market was trying to go up to new levels, but it didn't happen. So what it became was first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market dropped down. So when you look at it overall, what is it? 1, 2, 3. It's a triple top. Okay, so we already know when we get a triple top, what happens after that? The market retest, and this is the retest area here. The market came up once, twice, 3 times, wasn't able to break through. We got that retest, and then market pushed down once, twice, and then created enough momentum to go back up. So the reason why that market was able to come up from that momentum, when we see that decline that it did, it also did a pattern as well. And I'm gonna circle the pattern right here. It's a double bottom. It's not a straight double bottom, but it's kind of crooked. If you look at it from right here, when it did that triple top retest, it was actually forming a double bottom. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest is at the doji, and after this, at the retest. Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times, market pushed up 4 times, cap. So the market lost momentum here. It was finished. Market finished itself here, couldn't push up no more. 4 pushes to the top. So we already know after 4 pushes to the top, looking at these candles here, look like we have a double top and a retest. We know we see a double top and a retest. I'm knowing it by reading the wicks. Got 2 pushes to the top with the wicks. We already noticed the doji, a double top and a retest. And the market pushed down once, pushed down twice, pushed down 3 times. It's pushing up 1 more time, so it could be a 4th retest here. But market just may go back up, because if we look at it overall, that's another pattern. I'm going to circle it right here. I want to draw it out for you guys too. This is the first leg, this is the second leg, this is the third leg, that's the 4th leg. So you can clearly see the W there. We already know what happens at the W. The market comes down to retest, and what happens after that? Market pushes up once, okay? And after the push up once, market come back and retest, so it can just fully break out. But we can clearly see that if the market doesn't break this level here, look what we're looking at. 1, 2, 3, triple top. So if the market doesn't break after this retest, it could come back down. It could go for another quadruple top and fully break out after the retest and go up. If not, it will just retest that area and drop straight back down. Probably have a retest at the bottom of the support and then break lower lows. But right now we're looking like a triple top, but not fully yet, because the retest didn't come down yet. But if you see a white candle start forming this area here, that's showing that the market's going to do probably a triple top. So we already know at the triple top we'll be looking for a retest. After retest, you guys can take entry, take it to the sell side. Okay. Very important information, guys. Please, 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 please study Forex pattern cheat sheet. This information helps you out to understand patterns in the market. Hey everyone, this is Cam Jones FX, running the levels USD PLN.